The topic of our representation is marine ecological crisis and prevention measures. We focus on the 14th SDGs project, exploring the crises the ocean is faced with nowadays. We will discuss two main aspects. One is fishing overexploitation. In wild fisheries, overfishing occurs and continues when the average fish stock growth is consistently exceeded by the maximum sustainable yield of the fishery. The current global problem is the fish miniaturization and the massive reduction of the fish population. In order to reproduce, the fish have evolved into early maturing and early producing small fish, resulting in the miniaturization of fish bodies. Atlantic cod was once in danger of extinction due to overfishing. In the 1850s, the rapid advancement in fishing technology led to a surge in Atlantic cod production, but also resulted in overfishing that led to a sudden decline in numbers in 1992. Although the Atlantic cod has now been cracked for conservation, it will not be able to return to its previous numbers. In addition, overfishing can also disrupt marine ecosystems. Sudden changes in the species composition of an area may cause some species that were not dominant to take over the ecological position of the original species, which is called ecosystem change. For example, if all fish A are removed, fish B will replace fish A in the ecosystem's resource allocation, and it will be almost impossible to restore fish A's population. In particular, excessive hunting and killing of top predators will disrupt the entire marine ecosystem and even aggravate climate change. Taking sharks for example, if sharks are overfished, resulting in reduced numbers, and phytophagous animals increase their foraging rates, resulting in overconsumption of seagrasses and the disappearance of some species from seagrass beds. In recent years, we have adopted many methods to solve this problem. First was input management. We can limit the number of fishermen, operating hours, sea area and fishing gear restrictions. Second was output management. We can limit the amount of fish caught, such as species, production, sex, etc. Third was quota management. To avoid catching the same species of fish at the same time, we use vessels as the standard management target and allocate them according to the dependency of the resources. Another crisis is chemical pollution. There are three main types of pollution. The first is water pollution. Industrial and household wastewater and fertilizers are indirectly discharged from rivers and streams to the ocean, which will cause the ocean to have too much organic matter and nutrient salts. Excess nutrient salts discharged into the ocean, so that bacteria and viruses multiply. Viruses into the body of fish and shellfish, endangering the growth and development of fish and shellfish, through food into the human body, can cause many diseases, such as typhoid, hepatitis, dysentery and gastroenteritis. Excessive nutrient salts will also cause an algal bloom phenomenon. The second is airborne pollution. Atmospheric harmful, toxic gases and waste gas come into the sea, dissolved by seawater. The third type of pollution is marine activities. It is mainly caused by oil spills, particulate matter from mining and radiation leakage from nuclear waste transport. The oil film formed by oil blocks the gas exchange between the atmosphere and seawater, affecting the absorption of radiation on the sea surface. Oil film reduces the penetration of solar radiation into seawater and affects the photosynthesis of marine plants. The oil film stains the fur of sea animals and feathers of sea birds, dissolves the oil material, and makes them lose the ability to keep warm, swim and fly. High concentration of oil will reduce the nitrogen fixation ability of microalgae, prevent growth and cause death. Radioactive elements caused by radiation will be absorbed by marine life through ingestion. The more advanced predators are less resistant to radiation. What people can do is to build sewage treatment plants and strictly prohibit factories from discharging waste gas and water privately, and to strengthen the structure of ships so that oil does not leak out and pollute the marine ecosystem. While the economic activities of the sea have brought great profits to people, they have also destroyed the beautiful marine ecology and put marine life at risk. We should stop using marine resources in a timely manner in order to achieve the goal of sustainable development. The following are the sources of our references and images. Thanks for listening.